Showcase AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this product called Showcase AI. So right now we are on the sales page where you can try to use this coupon code SHOW35 to get 35% off. And how do you come to the sales page? For that you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab Showcase AI copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page. And also if you want to know about the bonuses, I don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning of the video, so you'll need to watch the video till the end if you want to know what my bonuses are and how you can get them and how to make money online. And then we have one more link for you. So if you click on more here, it says check out all my Warrior Plus products. So in case if you want to buy my own software which I have created, so you can try these top 3 softwares created by me. You can buy them if you want to. First one is for creating images and these two are for marketing campaigns. You will get to know about them more in the end. I have explained this in the end, okay? So let's come back on the sales page and let's give you some more discount coupon codes. So here you can see to use 30% off, you can use show30 and you can get bundle $50 off on using showcase 50. So if you buy the whole funnel, the whole bundle, then you can get flat $50 off. Okay, so we'll see how much bundle will cost you in the next part. So anyways, you got your all discounts, show30, showcase 50, and you can see my URL here of the bonuses. My bonus page URL is linked with the sales page. So when you go and buy this using my link below, you will get the bonuses delivered automatically. So whether you want this Showcase AI or not, if you want my bonuses, you have to go and buy using my link below. What bonuses are, you will find them in the end. So on the sales page, it says create and sell product videos in hundreds of thousands plus styles without any shooting or editing skills, and keep scrolling. And these are those videos they're talking about before after, as you can see here. So let's keep scrolling to see some sample videos, I guess. There you go. So you can create these kind of short videos for your TikTok, Instagram, or something else, and it looks cool. So you can create like 25 seconds videos. You see this one for selling honey. I love it. This is pretty cool. And then you have nice headphones and she's selling some cream, I guess, whatever that stuff is. Yo, you have some shoes here, so it looks pretty cool to me. Okay, that's pretty fancy. So again, you have some more examples for some drinks here, and you can just play around. You can play around with the software, generate these AI videos. By the way, we use the word AI. However, in other words, in literal meaning, AI means fake. Do you understand that? Okay. So it's pretty easy for me to just go and say, buy this from me and make me some money. That's fine. Okay. I mean, just do go and go and do buy from me. Okay, that's the correct grammar. Anyway, so this is the demo video. So you have to scroll the sales page and then come to this page where you can see this 5 minutes long demo video. I'll also show you this demo video right here in a moment. Okay, so I was talking about AI. AI means, when we see these things, okay, these attractive AI videos, good for conversion, this and that. Okay, at the same time, you don't know what you're doing, and you don't know what, and I know what I'm doing, but majority of people don't know what they're doing. It looks fancy to you to generate one AI video. It's pretty cool. I got a video. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to come on the camera, this and that. Okay, but do you understand that you are the demand? That is why the supply is created. What are you talking about? Have you gone nuts? Well, some people say don't establish data centers of AI in my local town, in my city, because it produces so much heat. It's not good for the environment, for the for the climate. Do you understand that, right? And that is true, because when you are generating this kind of anything, you are doing anything using AI, you are generating content, article, images, videos, anything which involves AI, there are supercomputers running, millions and millions of computers running at some place on this planet, producing so much heat. So you have no idea what are you bringing upon your generations to come. Your generations will abuse you so massively, including me, I guess. Okay, I mean, I'm doing my part. I'm just trying to tell you what's the truth. Okay, but remember here, 50 years from now, 100 years from now, your grandkids will be abusing you massively. If you're young right now, if you're 20 years old right now, after 70 years old, after 70 years, your grandkids or grandkids will be abusing you so much that people living on this planet 70 years ago fucked up this planet, using this AI. You can't imagine what's going to happen in next 100 years on this planet. It's all gonna turn into a popcorn. So microwave, sorry. Yeah, we will be the popcorns. I mean, not we will not be here. I mean, yeah, I will not be here certainly after 70 years. I will not be here, but we are leaving nothing on this planet. We are just exploiting. On the outside, we can see AI, good looking videos, fancy videos. You can have orgasm, but in the back end, when you use AI in the back end, millions of computers are running, and the planet is gonna be paying the price, and nobody can do shit about it. Because why they create data centers, why they have to create AI? Because you're consuming it, you and I, everybody is part of it. Okay, so we are the supply. You, I, billions of people on planet consuming AI. We are the supply. We stop consuming, they don't have to produce. We are consuming, they have to meet the demand. So we are the demand, they are the supply. If we stop consuming, they will run out of the business, and that's the only way they can stop using this AI shit. But it's pretty difficult for people to make understand that every time you use AI, you're fucking this planet. And at the same time, I can't say that don't use it or don't buy this, for example. Okay, you certainly can go and buy if you want to, if you have to, and it's my job to sell this to you as well. I mean, but morally, socially, environmentally, the more AI you use, the more you're contributing towards the disaster of this planet more, and me as well, I guess, somehow, because I also use AI for something at least. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, yeah, we are enjoying, we're having fun, but trust me, 100 years from here on, your generations to come will abuse you so much. My generations, if there will be, they will abuse me probably, but I'm trying to do what I'm doing. At least I have the awareness. At least I know the truth. At least, okay? One person can't do much, but at least it's better than nothing. So use your coupon code. Go and grab the copy using my link below. Let's face the reality. I'm doing the review, so go and buy from me. Let's see some questions. We still have to see the demo video. I already create video. How is this different? More tools. I think just go and read these question answer. There are too many of them, okay? And video is getting longer anyway after my lecture. So let's get to the demo video first here, and let's see how you can use this software. So you will find the demo video on the sales page, and you can just go and watch it for 5 minutes in your free time. I'll forward it here so you can choose some avatars or the characters or the inbuilt avatar, I guess. Avatar. Well, by the way, avatar. What the fuck, avatar? It's pronounced as avatar. Okay. This Cameroon guy, James Cameroon, he met an Indian actor, and this Avatar movie was offered to a Bollywood actor first in 2007, I guess, or maybe five, I don't know. But this Bollywood actor rejected the Avatar movie. The reason was because he did not want to be paralyzed. Okay, so you remember in Avatar first movie, the main actor was disabled, paralyzed from legs, I guess. So when James Cameron told the story to this Bollywood actor, that Bollywood actor at that time was at its peak, peak cinema. He was at its charm. So he said, "No, you know what? Your story is good. Your movie will be hit, but I can't take this role because either you change the character of the hero, you make him, you give him legs, and you make him normal, then I will do your movie." And James Cameron said, "No, it's my script already, and the hero, the actor, the main actor has to be crippled from the legs." So then the Bollywood actor said, "No, I have to say no to you because I will not be crippled in my as a hero. I will not be like to be crippled." So that's the story. The movie was first offered to an Indian Bollywood actor, and then after refusing this movie Avatar first part, It was that Indian Bollywood hero, the actor who gave this name. The name is given by the Indian Bollywood actor called Avatar. Avatar in English, avatar is a Hindi word, okay? Avatar is a correct pronunciation is avatar. Okay, it's not avatar. Okay, it's not avatar, avatar 1, avatar. No, it's avatar. Correct pronunciation is avatar, and then you have to make it sound like American things. So avatar, it's not an American thing. Okay, avatar, yoga, karma, mantra, guru, and bazaar. These are a jungle. These are all Hindi words. Okay, these are not English words. Bazaar means market, jungle means forest, avatar means incarnation of God in human form, and whatever I have said. So are we done? What I was telling you, yeah. So this Avatar was the name given by this actor who refused to act in the movie. So every time I see these profile images or these things here, and it says Avatar, I have to tell this story over and over again. Anyway, so we got it right. So go and watch the demo video in your free time. I don't have time now, so let's take a look at the OTOs right here. What are they? So these are the OTOs. So go and buy the bundle deal. You will get the $50 discount, or go and buy and make me some money. So you will find the link below. And now we will talk about how to make money and what my bonuses are. So make sure you go and buy something from my link if you liked all these facts which I have told you. And watch the video till the end. Subscribe, like, and share. Alrighty, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading. If you want, you can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day, and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. and you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is, I'm giving you as a bonus, okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well, okay. But if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus, okay. So how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically, okay. Otherwise, you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually, okay. And if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free, okay. I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy, okay. So what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds, okay. Make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value, okay. I told you I sell this separately, okay. So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus, okay. So only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker, okay. Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.